It's Black Friday time. It's time for everybody to get a deal. So how are we handling this Black Friday? We wanted to do the same as most people are doing, where we gave you 10% off, with the exception of a few. Some of the brands we distribute for have asked us to hold back on the Black Friday deals, but most of the things on our website across the UK and Europe will benefit from the Black Friday offer. So how is it going to work? We're going to do something a little bit different this year. Instead of just giving 10% discount, what we wanted to do is try and do something to support a charity, and a charity that's important to us and I'm sure to many other people. We've previously worked with Mind, with a mental health charity, and we wanted to do something along the same lines, but this year we wanted to do it to support younger children with mental health issues. I'm a father of 4 and I appreciate COVID lockdowns and various other things they affected children in a lot of ways, and it was something that we as a group wanted to support in the UK and across in Europe. This year's promotion is going to be, there's 2 options for it, and it will be the same across the 2. So option number 1, if you use the code YoungMinds at the checkout, you'll get 10% discount, and we'll give 1%, an additional 1% to the Young Minds charity in the UK. The second option is you can use the code MOREYOUNGMinds. The total will be the same percentage, it will still be 11%. You'll get 5% and 6% will go to the charity. Don't worry, nobody's going to judge you. We're at a time where everybody wants as much money as they possibly can get off energy costs and everything, and Christmas coming up, we all want to save a few quid. If you decide just to use the standard code, honestly, nobody's going to see it. The packing team won't see it, it's all computerized, but it gives you the option, if you'd rather, to just take that 5% and give the 6% to the charity. I'll hand you over to Europe now and they'll explain how it works over there.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne from Transport HQ Europe. Here in Europe, we also like to offer the discount to our customers using the same checkout code. Here, our charity Donate will go to the Forgotten Child, which is a very similar charity to Transport HQ UK is supporting. The Forgotten Child is a charity dedicated to support children with mental health issues over here. So we would like to thank you very much for your support, of course, and also thank you for choosing us, for buying your transporter parts, which will help us support these important charities also for the nearby future, of course. So right back at you, Andy.
Thank you for that, Cheyenne. So to confirm, the code is the same, just for consistency across the 2 countries, we're using the same code, whether it's in Europe or whether it's in the UK. Young Minds, 10% to you, 1% to the Young Minds charity, or the charity that they're supporting over in Europe. More Young Minds is 5% to you, 6% to the charity. Hopefully you get yourself a bit of a deal. Hopefully something you've had your eye on and you've been holding off on trying to buy it to find out if we're getting some Black Friday deals coming through. Well, here we are, it's ready to go. It's live now, it runs through till midnight on Friday across both sites. And that deal for us starts right now. So the minute you see this video, the minute you see things posted across our social media, that Black Friday promotion starts immediately, and it will run through to the end of Cyber Monday. So this coming Monday, midnight of the 28th. As always, thank you for supporting us and helping us support these charities. So more information on both the charities we're supporting will be in the text just below this box here with links to them, so you can find out a little bit more about them and why we're supporting them. And happy Black Friday shopping.